Most people living in the US are trapped in the same broken income cycle. They trade hours for a paycheck, earn money when they work, and make zero income the moment they stop. Everyone rushes into content creation, freelance gigs, and part-time jobs. But few people notice one of the steadiest, most underrated ways to build genuine passive income in America: small automated physical businesses. In this video, we break down 10 compact machines you can import directly from China. These devices require no prior experience, can be operated from home, and are perfectly tailored to real market pain points across the United States. Unlike generic side hustle recommendations you see everywhere, every machine on this list targets clear domestic gaps. Labor costs in America are sky-high, small-batch custom manufacturing options are scarce, and locally sold commercial equipment carries extreme markups. Their core advantage is simple: make a one-time investment in equipment, build an automated workflow, and let the machine work around the clock. You can hold a full-time job during the day, sleep through the night, or travel, while production continues and revenue keeps flowing. This is the low-risk, compound wealth-building strategy many Americans overlook. First, let's cover why importing machinery from China creates such a powerful business edge inside the US. Commercial equipment sold domestically often costs 3 to 5 times more than equivalent models from China, putting it out of reach for regular aspiring entrepreneurs. At the same time, small businesses and independent operators are desperate to cut labor expenses. They are actively searching for affordable automation to replace manual work. Compact commercial machines manufactured in China deliver outstanding value. They take up minimal space, run automatically, and are simple enough for beginners to operate. They fill a massive market void for low-cost, small-scale custom production. Competition remains low, demand is consistent, and cash flow is reliable. Now we will go through each machine in detail, ranked by ease of startup, passive earning potential, and proven market demand in the US. First, heat press sublimation machine, top pick for custom consumer goods. This is the most beginner-friendly, fastest to recoup piece of equipment on the list. American consumers strongly prefer personalized, unique products over mass-produced generic items. Custom apparel, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, team merchandise, corporate event swag, pet accessories, and holiday gifts stay in demand year-round. Orders surge during Halloween, the 4th of July, Christmas, and every major celebration. The passive income benefit is straightforward. You design templates once and reuse them endlessly. Once you set the temperature and artwork, the machine runs automated heat transfers. It can operate overnight in batches with no constant supervision. You can list custom services on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and TikTok Shop. Accept orders online, then run bulk production overnight. You only need to pack and ship items during daytime hours. There is no risk of dead inventory. Profit margins are substantial, and this is one of the most mature home-based passive business models available for US residents. Second, desktop laser engraving machine, high-margin niche customization. If heat presses target mainstream demand, laser engravers unlock a premium, underserved market. Weddings, birthday events, corporate gifting, pet ownership, and home decor drive constant demand for engraved goods. Wooden plaques, acrylic signage, wedding favors, pet ID tags, decorative wall art, and boutique store signs command steep price premiums, with very few large-scale competitors. This machine works with wood, leather, acrylic, and select metals. After you import customer designs, the system automatically aligns and engraves without ongoing input. It can safely run unattended for hours through the night. Focus your business on private custom orders and small-batch corporate contracts instead of low-price bulk sales. Once you build a portfolio and repeat client relationships, referrals will bring consistent orders without constant marketing, creating reliable overnight revenue. Third, food dehydrator, recurring revenue in the health pet industry. The United States is a massive market for fitness nutrition, clean eating, and pet care. Consumers actively seek sugar-free, additive-free dried foods. Store-bought jerky and dried fruit are loaded with preservatives and overpriced. Homemade dried fruit, beef jerky, chicken treats, and pet snacks attract loyal buyers with strong repeat purchase rates. The dehydrator is built for passive operation. It maintains consistent temperature automatically and features programmable timers. Load raw ingredients before bed, set your cycle, and collect finished, fully dried products in the morning. You can sell goods at local farmers markets, community groups, Etsy, and pet owner communities. Finished products have a decent shelf life, allowing you to build stock ahead of demand and generate steady ongoing sales. Fourth, desktop 3D printer, niche manufacturing, hobby outsourcing. DIY culture, model building, and vehicle modification are extremely popular across America. Hobbyists, repair shops, and small contractors constantly require custom small parts. Scale models, replacement hardware, custom automotive components, art figures, and school engineering projects are regularly ignored by large factories, while local craftsmen charge extremely high fees. 3D printers are among the most passive pieces of equipment you can own. Once you upload a digital model and configure settings, the machine prints continuously for hours with zero supervision. It can run fully overnight, offers small batch custom manufacturing, part replication, and model printing services. As you grow your portfolio, steady long-term clients will emerge. Production happens overnight while you rest. You only handle deliveries during daytime hours. 5. Semi-automatic liquid filling machine, contract manufacturing for small brands. Thousands of new microbrands launch in America every year. Creators launch handmade candles, natural skincare, essential oils, household cleaners, herbal tinctures, and specialty beverages. These entrepreneurs have audiences and product ideas, but lack equipment for small-scale production and cannot afford expensive local co-packing services. Compact imported liquid filling machines deliver consistent, accurate portioning with minimal waste. You can operate multiple units in batches and run production cycles overnight. Secure ongoing contracts with several local emerging brands, and you earn steady processing fees without creating or marketing your own consumer goods. 6. Vacuum sealing machine, essential supporting service for food businesses. Meal prepping, outdoor camping, artisanal meat, and snack retail are huge industries in the U.S. Vacuum sealing extends shelf life and improves product presentation to meet local food sales standards. Most independent food creators lack professional sealing equipment. Manual sealing is slow and produces inconsistent results, so many outsource this work. These compact automatic sealers operate quickly and create airtight packaging. You can use the machine for your own food products or accept standalone packaging orders from local vendors. Once you establish regular business partnerships, consistent incoming orders create dependable passive cash flow. 7. UV flatbed printer, multi-surface custom gift production. Unlike heat presses limited to fabric, UV printers print directly onto nearly every material: glass, wood, acrylic, metal, plastic, gift boxes, and phone cases. This equipment excels in the holiday gift and corporate souvenir market. Demand spikes ahead of Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year, when businesses order custom branded gifts and families purchase personalized home decor. Printing is automated, instantly dry, and requires no post-processing after setup. You can run large batches overnight. Focus on seasonal bulk orders from companies and custom household keepsakes to maintain stable income all year long. 8. Candle molding machine, high premium home fragrance business. Scented candles are a year-round household staple in America, alongside weddings, parties, and holiday gifting. Premium retail candles carry steep price tags, and artisanal handmade candle brands attract customers willing to pay more for unique scents and original designs. Manual candle pouring is slow, inconsistent, and creates high waste. Automated molding machines produce uniform, clean candles with minimal defects. Prepare wax mixtures before bedtime. Let the machine run molding cycles overnight, then demold, label, and ship finished inventory in the morning. Sell via online stores, supply local home decor shops, and wedding planners. The business delivers healthy profit margins and consistent repeat demand. 9. Mini oil press machine, organic niche food market. American buyers heavily prioritize organic, zero-additive food products. Commercial cooking oils sold in supermarkets often contain additives. Cold-pressed peanut oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, and nut oils are viewed as premium specialty goods, selling for multiples of standard oil pricing. Small commercial oil press machines automate pressing and filtering. Cold pressing preserves nutrition, runs quietly, and fits easily inside a home workshop. Target health-focused consumers through community groups and weekend markets. Competition is minimal in this niche, creating long-term stable profits. 10. Commercial ice maker, local B2B staple supply business. Many people overlook this quiet, reliable essential service. Bulk ice delivery. Cafes, restaurants, campgrounds, outdoor wedding venues, pool parties, and small retailers constantly require large volumes of ice. Full-size commercial ice equipment is prohibitively costly for small operators, forcing them to buy ice at marked-up retail prices. Imported compact ice makers produce and store ice automatically 24 hours a day with no manual oversight. Build consistent supply agreements with local businesses and event organizers. The machine stockpiles ice overnight, ready for scheduled daytime deliveries. It generates predictable, continuous cash flow with very little ongoing labor. After reviewing these 10 machines, you can see the clear difference in how people build wealth inside the United States. Ordinary people chase viral trends and trade every hour of their time for limited income. If they stop working, their revenue stops. Smart entrepreneurs build these seemingly plain, unglamorous, automated businesses. They import cost-effective equipment from China and build production systems once. Then machines keep generating output around the clock while they sleep, relax, or travel. These models will not make you an overnight millionaire. There are no viral hype cycles, extreme competition, or risky speculation. Their strength lies in stability, scalability, and long-term compound growth. If you want detailed sourcing guides, U.S. business setup advice, pricing frameworks, and risk avoidance tips for all 10 machines, leave a comment below, and I will release a step-by-step implementation tutorial. If this video delivered value, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more actionable low-risk passive income strategies for people living in America.